Hello, everybody, and welcome to our show. It's where you're perfect just the way you are. But if you want a few more cards to your collection, check out see what we got here. I got a 2021 Mosaic football, but this is for another battle with our good friend. Yes, CW Card Wolf. If you're following the series, you know that the first one was very close. Kind of giving it to him, although it was very close. No definitive winner, but still giving it. I'm giving it kind of to him. We did a baseball next, and I pulled two Wander Francos, which was awesome. So kind of won that one. So we're doing it again, just for fun, as always. You guys pick the winner. Again, so I'll show my video, or go check out Carl's video, see what he pulls, and you guys decide who had the better pick. Anyways, help us out here. Go over to his site if you haven't already. I'm sure a lot of you have. Please subscribe. Watch his videos. Give all his videos a thumbs up. Help out the community. This is all in good fun. Anyway, it is time to open up. So, Card Wolf, are you ready? Let's get it on. This one should be a pretty quick one. Not a lot of cards in here. And I'll see if I can flip the cards around and save the good ones for the end. Anyone that does that, there you go. Our first one. So it looks about right here. About right here. Anyway. We got a Zeke. Adrian Olmos. My man Brian Urlacher. James Harrison. Miles Gaskin. DJ Metcalf. A beautiful Ocho Cinco. Chad Johnson. A Jerry Rice, Hall of Fame. Will to win, Nick Chubb. Christian McCaffrey. Michael Pittman Jr. Young Ho Koo. Anthony Schwartz. Chris Long, Man of the Year. James Robinson. And then a rookie, Dax Milne. Make some room for the rookies. Christian Barmore. And Elijah Moore. So there you go. There is my hanger box. Not very strong, I don't know. I don't think it's going to take much for you, CW, to take this one. You seem to have the luck in football. So, show us your luck, other than the Jerry Rice. Nick Chubb. Ocho Cinco. Christian McCaffrey. So, there you go. Ball is in your corner, CW. Show us what you got, and then we'll let the community pick a winner for us yet again. And then we'll keep the series going. We got the Heritage coming out this week or next week or something like that. So we got something new that we can to battle with. Anyways, thanks for watching. As always, please hit the subscribe, hit the like. Let me know what you think, and I will catch you next time.